By the late 1800s, nearly every city had its own coal gas manufacturing plant.
These were pretty much one gas plant at a time for each city or each urban area because they couldn't distribute their gas very far. It was quite, I think, an honor to have one because it was showing some advancements of the city. The market and the ability to get the gas from the plant to the end users was how town gas set the stage for natural gas.
High-pressure pipelines installed during World War II made long-distance transport of natural gas possible.
A network of pipelines provided that natural gas all around the country. And when the gas plants would finally be displaced depended on how far it was from the natural gas. So in effect, it moved from west to the east as natural gas got piped to those areas. The manufactured gas or town gas was displaced.
Natural gas contained more energy and burned cleaner than the gas manufactured from coal.
You have to actually use less to get as much energy. And so in effect, as this higher value gas became available, it made the manufactured gas less desirable.
In just 50 years, global consumption of coal had more than doubled. But in the face of growing demand, technical innovations brought large-scale hydroelectric, oil, and natural gas into the energy marketplace.